Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making vegan street tacos. So I'm going to be using a food processor to blend up my veggies and seasonings. So this is a mini food chopper that I got from Aldi, a good price. So I'm not going to overstuff my little cup. So go ahead and use fresh cauliflower to add in your food processor. Next up, we're going to add some walnuts. And I'll be sure to add in the description below how much I've used of each ingredient. Next up, we're going to add in our seasonings: cumin, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. We're going to go ahead and put some black pepper in there as well. And we're going to also add in some Texas Pete hot sauce. Now, Texas Pete hot sauce has a lot of flavor and it has a spicy kick to it. So try it if you have not tried it. Now it's time to put the top on and get the chopping. Be sure to take the lid off and go ahead and move the cauliflower off the side so that it can blend well. Now it's time to spread out your ingredients into a pan with parchment paper at the bottom. Now you can use any size pan. You can use a square pan, you can use a rectangle pan or a circle pan. Just depends on how much you're making. And I'm not making a lot, so I'm using a circle pan. You're going to put your mixture in the oven on 375 for 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and start assembling our toppings. So we're going to go ahead and chop up our cilantro and our peppers. So for this taco dish, I'm going to be using peppers as my base instead of taco shells. But feel free to use taco shells, or you can even use lettuce and make you a taco lettuce wrap. It's up to you. All right, now that the 15 minutes is up, you're going to take your blend out of the oven and you're going to go ahead and just break it up. Once you have finished breaking up your cauliflower mixture, you're going to put it back in the oven on 375 for 15 more minutes. And it's going to come out looking like that. It looks just like ground beef, doesn't it, guys? Now it's time to assemble our street tacos. Go ahead and start with squeezing on some lime onto your cauliflower blend and some lemon. Lemon and lime with tacos and Mexican food is just superb. Now I'm adding on my chopped cilantro. Make sure you do as much as you want or as little as you want. Now we're adding on our pico de gallo. And this is basically a blend that I got from the grocery store. It has everything already in it that you need. If you want to doctor it up, you can add a little bit of salt. You can add some lemon, some lime, some jalapeno. We're going to add a little bit more lime and a little bit more lemon on top. And it's done. You have to make these tacos and tell me what you think, guys. This dish was so easy to make. It's delicious and it's healthy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.